Hi guys, welcome back to another in the series. Today we'll be looking at cumulative frequency, and as you can see, we'll ask to complete the frequency table. Find the lower class boundary for wages $61 to $65. Find the upper class boundary for $66 to $70 and the class width. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to establish what we mean by boundary and upper and lower class boundary. Now the upper boundary, first we look at the numbers. This is the upper boundary, lower boundary. But in order to get it, we add, when it's the upper boundary, we add 0.5. And when it's the lower, we subtract 0.5. So for this one, we add, so we get 55.5. This one 60.5, 65.5. So looking at the upper now, 70.5, and this would be 75.5. Now, in order to do the cumulative frequency part now, cumulative mean over time. So it's like you're adding and adding, that's all. So we start off with 4. Next, it will be 4, we add 15 to that. That gives us 19. So here we have 19 plus 30. That will give us 949. Then here, 49 plus the 19. So you see, we just adding the preceding one. 2 9 is 18, 8 carry 1, 4 and that's 6, so that is 68. And for the last one, it will be 68 plus 7 equal to 75. So basically that means it's 75 workers in all. That's the total, right? So there we have complete the frequency table. Now they ask us for the lower class boundary for the wage is 61. Now as we say, lower, we subtract 61.61 minus 0.5, so we get 60.5. When it's the lower class boundary, we subtract 0.5. Alright, when it's the upper class, we add, so this would be 70 plus 0.5, which is equal to 70.5. We also could have got it from up here, so right? And they ask us for the class width. Now the class width is basically the size, right? The size between the lower and the upper boundary. So we can just take any one of them because it must be consistent. So 55 minus 51 is equal to 4. So therefore